Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today is the 3rd of January, 2026. I can't even believe that, but here we are, off to another year of Amaya Raine Day. Challenge this month is New Year, New Look. Well, I got this Amaya Raine on eBay, and I'm not really going to change her look, but I'm going to make her look better. Let's get her a bath and a head wash. I start with a wide tooth comb. I like metallic, and if I hit a snag, which this is really nice here, if I hit a snag, I roll that, and I roll it down, and I roll it down, and you'll roll it right off the edge if you do it like that. And what we're going to do is comb out her hair. What a pretty little doll. These Poopsie Surprises are the predecessors for Rainbow High dolls. And in fact, this doll is Amaya Raine. And there's something in her hair there. See how I roll that? My hand just does it automatically. I have long hair, so I've always done that myself. You start at the bottom and work up. So you just roll that forward when it hits a knot, and then the knot rolls right off. And, oh, there it is. There's a little lint. Okay, so here's what I have. I'm going to take her over to the sink, and I've got shampoo, a toothbrush, which these dolls, I use the toothbrush when I'm washing a doll on their fingers and their toes and their joints, their mouth. You got to use this real easy, and it has to be a soft bristle brush. Do their nose and their ears and behind their ears, and again, get these joints. And I use warm to hot water when I do it. I use human shampoo. Darren made her a new stand, which I love, has her little name on it. And when she is wet, I will bring her over. First thing I'll do is turn her upside down so that the water drains down out of her legs. You want that to be up in the air. In fact, I might, the way this doll is, I might just do her like this and let her, oh, that won't work. I'll find something to lean her on, maybe even the shampoo body. Leave her stand like that, and you make sure your hair is done the correct direction. And have her stand like this for at least 15 minutes. I usually do it a couple hours. And then I stand her backwards in the stand so the hair is not hitting the back of the stand and it can dry naturally. I leave that for 24 hours, and we're going to see about an outfit for her. Look at this gorgeous hair. These dolls clean up, fix up, and their hair bounces back. I got to tell you, MGA does a good job on hair. I really like the filament they use for their hair. It's just gorgeous. This girl got a new stand. Darren 3D printed her. I got some, I made shoes, and I got a little, you know me and the hot glue. I make spider webs everywhere. Darren made a cute stand for her in purple with her name, and I took 2 socks and made her this outfit. I bought these at Dollar General. When I did the sleeves, let me turn this under. When I made the sleeves, I slit this all the way up. I cut a arch out. I made 2 sleeves. I sewed them in, and then I seamed up the sides. I thought I could tuck the bottom so I didn't hem it. Shame on me. I should have hemmed it. And then I made her these little shoes. Darren 3D prints these shoe soles just for the Poopsie Surprise. In fact, I think this was one of the first shoes, high heels for sure, was Poopsie Surprise size. So now what we're going to do for her new look, just being clean. Look how pretty these dolls are. Oh my God, they're so pretty. She's not changing a lot. She's like me. She knows who she is. The look doesn't need to change all the time. We pierced one ear already to try it, and we are going to pierce the other ear, and we'll show you that. I buy these birthstone pierced earrings from AliExpress. They come in a lot of colors. I was going to do blue, maybe the aquamarine. Look how pretty these are. The camera's not picking it up, doggone it. And these shimmer and shine and sparkle. It's really dull out and it's early. We're getting rain in a few minutes. So I decided to get pink. That would give her more of a pop, and Darren's going to show you how he did that. Let me move this out of his way and take the camera. If it's shaky, you know why.
Here's the earring. Here's the drill bit. I just picked a drill bit the same size. These are too tiny for me to, well, I don't even think they're marked. The drill bits are marked, so who knows what size it is. It's small, but I just years ago, bought a little mixed bag from, I think it was Amazon, and it just has a million different little small sizes. Just pick a small one. And you can always drill bigger. You can't do smaller.
Don't you put the post of the earring by your drill so you size them?
Yeah.
Okay, so here he is, and Amaya Raine has kind of a standout ear. It's not flat against her head. So he's going to actually pierce these as you would a human's ears. See if I don't want to get in his way. I'm trying to stay out of his way, to see around his hand, and it's just not going to happen. But we did mark the ear with a pencil. And he goes all the way through.
This doesn't take very long on this, and I'm just kind of wound, because the plastic is soft, so it never drills out cleanly.
I saw you set it over here.
And did I already lose my little earring? Here it is. And then in this case, we already know that it's actually too long, and because these are plastic, well, even if the metal ones are easy to clip, but with a pair of wire cutters, but with these plastic cutters, and you can see I got little knots already. All we did was just trim them to size.
If your earring is bigger, like for AliExpress Blythe dolls, they have a pretty big hole in their ear. What I do is I run the hot glue down the earring, and I put it in when it's about, see how that fits? And it's stuck in there good. So
oh yeah, it's not going to fall out.
I pull her hair back to show both. And there she is. And what I started to say is I run that hot glue down the edge of the post, and then I put it in when it's about half dry. Not only will that thicken the hole, but it also makes those earrings stick. And you can pull those out and change them. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Be sure to go by Dory's. If you have an Amaya Raine New Year, New Look video, please leave a note in our comments so we go by and see your Amaya Raine, which is any rainbow high or shadow high doll on today's challenge. Dory, thank you. It's always so much fun. I can't wait to see what you have done. There's my little Twinkie. You'll be seeing more of her. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like,
a comment,
and subscribe to every channel you visit today.